guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. We're back in the MazdaMiata right now. We're back at the awesome canyon we took last week in the 350Z right before the misfire happened. I got a comment right here, I'll put it right here, of someone that asked if we could drive this canyon in the Miata, and here we are. I wanted to do this so bad because I figured the suspension in the 350Z is so tight that we might actually be able to get faster in the Miata than we would in the 350Z. Obviously, we're not gonna, you know, push the limits too hard because this thing is completely 100% stock. So, but I do want to just see, I don't know if you guys watched the last video we did this, but there's these dips here. The Miata will be able to handle them so much better. So I'm pretty excited to see how it does. Here, let's give it. Oh yeah, see, we couldn't go that fast. That's how you catch up to people in 5 seconds. But then, you know, we just give them a little time. We'll go like extremely slow. While we're going slow, I just wanted to thank every single person for commenting and watching my last video about the 350Z. The amount of comments I got of just, you know, tips and ideas to check and see what's wrong is just so awesome. You guys are great. I think we're gonna have the car back seriously in the next video, so fingers crossed. I saw a car still went down there. This is like the first hill of 2. Just raw this thing is. Please let me go by. Oh yes, thank you, thank you, thank you. Second perch. All right, you guys, I kind of want to drop the top. Is that crazy? Let's do it. What? Oh, of course. 1 sec. Stop the car real quick. Let's go. Got to give it the good karate chop. All right, top down. Hopefully the wind isn't too bad. This one, oh, gotta shift down for that. Over the hill. Oh God, Jesus. Oh, my favorite part. This is my favorite part. I love this part. There's so many trees. I love the tall grass. The vibes are there. completely stock. I mean, this thing rips. And it's honestly, it's really predictable. Which is like, I mean, that's like crazy to think. I mean, oh yeah, a little bit of oversteer. Okay, I mean, this is the stop sign. This is like the checkpoint. This is like, man, my eyes are watering. That's how fast we've been going, bro. Whew, this is the checkpoint, yo. The temps are amazing. Temps are amazing. Oh shoot, thank you. I guess we're doing the second half. See, what they don't do is they don't put enough speed limit signs and turn signs. They don't tell you how sharp it's actually gonna be. We almost lost it. You guys, if you're watching and you're thinking about doing this, it's dangerous out here, man. Man, I'll tell you, there's something about ripping it with the top down. Caught someone. Oh man. I mean, this is proof. I don't care what anyone tells you. This is a stock Miata, okay? This is 100% stock. 100% stock. Like, suspension is stock, wheels are stock. This thing will handle. It's just mind-blowing how sharp we were able to take some of those turns at the speeds we were able to take some of those turns. And then obviously we met some of the limits where we were, you know, sliding a little bit, but I mean, it's just crazy to see how fast we could get through that canyon on a completely stock setup. If you've been thinking about getting a MazdaMiata, I mean, there it is. That's the proof. It's in the pudding, you guys. Like, I'm speechless. Like, that's just amazing. Our temperature looks amazing still, and we have the top down. Literally, like, well, you can't, I mean, it doesn't even get better than that, I don't think. So you can have your foot flat in like third and just take a corner, no problem. Like, you just don't lift at all. No way, this person's, yay. Maybe we'll drive for a few more minutes, y'all. Oh gosh. Alright you guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, drop a thumbs up, drop a comment down below if you have any questions or comments, you want to see anything in specific, I will make it happen. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. We just hit 2,000 subscribers, which is absolutely insane. At this rate, we'll be at 10,000 in no time. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Seriously, you have no idea how much it means to me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.